Hello everyone, welcome back. This is our sixth lecture and we are going to discuss calendar of Primavera P6 in this lecture. So let's start. What is the calendar? Calendar enable us to define available work days and work hours in a day. You can also specify public holidays, recognized holidays, companies, RDOs, project specific work non-work days. You can establish an unlimited number of calendars to accommodate different work patterns. You can also assign calendars to each resource and activity to determine the time constraints in a uniform way. For example, based on its calendar, a resource might not be available, or if the resource is available, the activity might not fit in the calendar requirements. P6 uses your calendar assignments for leveling resources, scheduling, and tracking activities. The Primavera P6 application supports these three types of the calendars. First is global calendars. If a calendar is defined under this category, that calendar can be assigned to any project, activity, and resource in the database. And the second is project calendar. This category of the calendar can be assigned to a specific project. If a calendar is defined under this category, then that calendar can be assigned to that specific project only. These calendars cannot be assigned to any resource. If we link project calendar to the global calendar, then any change made in the global calendar will be reflected in the project calendar but not in others. Third is resource calendar. This category of the calendar can be assigned to a specific resource. These types of the calendars are used in special cases where the availability of the resources is critical. These calendars cannot be assigned to a project or its activities. If a resource calendar in P6 is linked with global calendar, then any change made in global calendar will be reflected in the corresponding resource calendar. So now we are going to learn how to create calendars and how to allocate calendars in our project. So this is the dashboard of Primavera P6. We will click on Enterprise. Here is the calendar. These are the three types of the calendar: global, resource, and project. So now we are going to add new calendar. We will click on Add. Here we will select. And here we will change its name. So now we are going to modify this calendar. So we can see these gray lines shows that non-work days. So the work hours of each working day is 10 hours. We can increase or decrease with respect to our requirements. And now we are going to increase our work days. Here for Saturday I will increase 8 hours, and for the Fridays I also changes its hours. So here we can see. So here is the detailed work hours. Detail of our work hours, we can also change them. So now we are going to assign calendar. So let's start. Here we will click on our activity. These are this is our new calendar, and we will select it. And now we are going to add this our all activities. So press the shift and click at the end activity, and here we will click on, here is the fill down option, sorry. Here we will click, here is the fill down option. So that was all about in this lecture. Subscribe our channel for more lectures on Primavera Basics. Thank you.